Alright, so welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you um, how AutoCAD works with layers. Okay, so AutoCAD usually works with layers in order for you to be able to group certain designs, okay, into a single platform. Let me put it this way, so that if this design is for, let's say, roads, so what layers actually do is they allow you to be able to group similar things, okay, into one in order to make it thematic. Okay, so if this is a road, or this is a building, or these are hospitals, depending on how you want to classify them, okay, you can actually put them all. So you can say, I want all buildings to be on one platform, all roads to be another platform, all hospitals to be another platform, so that whenever you choose, you can disable all buildings and leave only the roads. So let's just try it. Okay, so in order to work with layers, we go to the layers panel. Okay, now this whole area is the layers panel, everything here, but we want to create a new layer. I just want to show you how you can create a new layer. So over here you have predefined layers, okay, that have been designed by AutoCAD Civil 3D or the Autodesk team. So now I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to say this layer is for let's say buildings. All right, buildings. Okay, so it's for buildings, and I can choose to give it a certain color. Oh, I want all buildings to have this color. Let's choose red for it. I want all buildings to have this color. I want all buildings to have a certain line type. Okay, yeah, all buildings should have a certain line type or thickness. This is the thickness. This is the line type. All buildings should have a certain line type. Stuff like that. I'm going to create another one. Let's say this one is roads. Okay, so all roads should have a certain line type, or in this case line thickness. Let's give it line type and thickness. 0.3 is good. What else? So we can create for another one. What haven't we created for? Let's say we've created for buildings. Hospitals. I have no idea what examples I'm using. So over here, I think we should give it another color. For roads, we can make them black. For hospitals, we can make them blue. Black will not blend with black, so let's change the black to another color. Let's say yellow. Okay, so with this we have 3 new layers we have created: buildings, roads, and hospitals. By default, any drawing you make goes to the layer called layer 0. Okay, that's the base layer. Okay, so it goes to layer 0 over here. So everything here is in layer 0. If I click on this one and I go to its properties, okay, over here you find out that it's in layer 0. You can actually change it from one layer to another. Instead of clicking on the properties and doing all those, I could easily select this one. So if this is a road, I'm going to move this layer to another layer. Okay, so if this is a building, we are going to move this one to its own layer. So you see that it will have the properties of that layer. We've predefined it. So over here you see that its color is by layer, its type is by layer, its thickness is by layer, everything is by layer. Okay, it's by how you've defined its layer. If you want to give it a specific color apart from the layer, you can actually come here and select that color. You get it? Oh cool, I like this color. Alright, so now if you want to move this other one, so let's say this one is a hospital. If this is a hospital, you can move it to the hospital. So if I can't find it, just type for it, hospital, over here, and you see it will have the same features as a hospital. And let's say, so I'm going to deselect and I'm going to reselect this last one, and I'm going to move it to the road layer. Okay, so roads layer over here. Let's see, each of them are inside a different layer. I'm just trying to help you get the whole concept behind the layers. So each of them are in a different layer. Okay, so if I actually come here and I want to make all buildings disappear, right, I could just come here And you see this light bulb, if I turn it off, all the buildings drawings, all drawings in the buildings will disappear. Okay, or how do I put it, all buildings on that layer or all designs on that layer will disappear. Alright, so in the same way, if you have um so in the same way you can turn off other layers. Okay, so if you have designs on several other layers, you can, so for instance, we've done that for buildings, we can do that for roads. Over here we can look for the roads layer, then we can turn it off in this way. Alright, so that's the idea behind layers. Layers will allow you to be able to customize what you want to see. Okay, so in the next videos we would go on to look at the modify tools, these ones, how you can use them and how to properly use them for your designs. Okay, so stay tuned and leave your comments in the review section, in the comment section. Bye.